Right, Engwe Engine Pro 2.0. Those dogs don't stop barking, I will kill them. Restricted for UK use, which quite frankly is pathetic. Hold the back wheel off the ground, hit the throttle. Look at that, 4.1 miles an hour. When you're actually riding it 3.5 miles an hour, you could actually walk faster than that. So when you want to go off-road, and it's off-road only because you're not allowed to do it on the UK roads because it's illegal and very naughty, so you shouldn't do it. Hold the plus and minus button in together. Enter that menu. Hold the plus button down for 15 seconds. It's a long 15 seconds. There you go. And if I'm right, turn it off, put it on level 1 and 29 mile an hour, and I've actually just come down the road on it at 29.5 miles an hour. Sorry, not the road, on a private track at 29.5 miles an hour without pedalling. That's how you do it. Use it wisely.